Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and preparing the space. Plug in or charge the headset until it reads above 50% and make sure the room is clear for safe movement. Once powered, pair with your PC, console, or phone using the provided cable or Bluetooth. This establishes the data link for visuals and controllers. Make sure firmware prompts are allowed to install. Those updates fix tracking and comfort issues, so proceed when the device asks and confirm permissions to continue the setup. Now you fit the headset and calibrate systems for accurate tracking. Place it on, tighten straps for even pressure, and adjust IPD until the view is sharp. That reduces eye strain. Then run the Guardian or Boundary calibration so the software maps your play area and follow on-screen steps to orient controllers. Configure audio and visual settings, brightness, volume, and comfort modes because those affect immersion and nausea risk. Once done, test a demo app to confirm tracking and headset comfort before playing longer sessions. You finish by launching a guided tutorial and starting simple content to verify control and orientation. Try basic locomotion and menu interaction so you understand how to move and use tools in VR. Practice smooth head turns and short sessions to adapt. If you feel discomfort, enable comfort features like vignette or seated mode and take breaks. If tracking drifts or controllers disconnect, restart the headset, repair controllers, or rerun the room setup. These steps usually restore accurate tracking quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.